The camera market just hit a breaking point. For years, we've been told that if you want professional, cinema-quality video, you need a bulky body, a massive lens, and a bag full of accessories. But as of right now, that entire narrative has been incinerated. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 has arrived, and it isn't just a vlogging camera. It is a 2-nanometer-powered, 1-inch sensor beast that fits in the coin pocket of your jeans. If you are a creator, a traveler, or someone who just wants to capture their life in 4K at 120 frames per second with zero shake, you are looking at the most important piece of tech released this decade. Today, we are going to tear down the mystery of the Pocket 4. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. We're going into the leaked retail specs that DJI didn't want you to see, the massive storage revolution that changes how we shoot forever, and why the Pro version might be the most elusive camera in American history. If you are even thinking about buying a camera in 2026, you cannot afford to miss a single second of this. Let's start with the heart of the machine. The Pocket 3 was already a legend. It was the camera that finally made people put down their iPhones. But the Pocket 4 takes that foundation and builds a skyscraper on top of it. We are looking at a refined 1-inch CMOS sensor that now pushes a staggering 14 stops of dynamic range. To put that in perspective for the non-techies, that is the kind of range you usually only find in high-end cinema cameras like the RE or the Red. It means when you're filming a sunset, you can see the texture of the clouds and the details in the shadows simultaneously. No more blown-out skies. No more muddy blacks. The Pocket 4 sees the world more like the human eye than any pocket camera in history. But the real shocker? The weight. DJI has pulled off a feat of engineering that seems physically impossible. While most companies add weight to add features, DJI trimmed the fat. The Pocket 4 is roughly 35% lighter than the Pocket 3. We are talking about a device that weighs around 116 grams. It's so light you'll forget it's in your pocket, yet it houses a 3-axis mechanical gimbal that is more stable than a surgeon's hand. This is the Steadicam for the masses. You can be running, jumping, or even hiking on uneven terrain, and the footage looks like it was shot on a Hollywood dolly track. And let's talk about the storage revolution. This is the feature that is going to save you hundreds of dollars and thousands of headaches. For the first time, DJI has included 107 gigabytes of high-speed internal storage. Forget about SD card error messages. Forget about forgetting your memory card at home. With 800 megabytes per second transfer speeds, you can shoot high bitrate 4K footage all day, come home, and offload it to your Mac or PC in seconds. It's a seamless workflow that treats the camera like a high-end SSD. Now, I know what the pros are asking, what about AI? Well, the Pocket 4 introduces Active Track 7.0. This isn't just following a face, it's predicting movement. It uses deep learning to understand the environment. If your subject walks behind a tree or a crowd of people, the Pocket 4 doesn't lose them. It calculates where they should emerge and stays locked on. It's like having a professional camera operator dedicated to you 24/7. Whether you're filming yourself for a YouTube vlog or tracking a fast-moving pet, the focus is surgical and the tracking is uncanny. But there is a catch that has the USA audience in a